As the leading company for non-university research, Upper Austrian Research is a key player in the research, technology and innovation policy of the province of Upper Austria. In cooperation with influential partners and 10 highly respected associated companies, it supports the implementation of innovative solutions at the crossroads, where fundamental and application-oriented research meet. BioMed-zet Life Science was founded with the aim of promoting research and studies that benefit humans and animals. The company works in 2 fields: medical research and training and cell and molecular biology. The challenge of the Life Science Laboratory is to identify and develop testing systems in consultation and cooperation with the partner concerned that will enable the company to introduce new products onto the market economically, efficiently and geared to specific targets. The development of methods to replace or complement animal experimentation is not simply a scientific challenge, but also a commercial and socio-political one. Under international law, animal experimentation is mandatory. On the other hand, legislation also requires the development of alternatives. It is not just the company's technical facilities that mean these stringent demands can be met, but especially the highly motivated team. The BioMed-zet Life Science Laboratory is an innovative state-of-the-art laboratory. It is Austria's only national reference lab, researching and developing alternatives to animal experimentation, and has comprehensive expertise in this field as well as in vitro techniques for use in industry. One example of the company's successful cooperation with industry is a joint project with Delacon Biotechnik that promotes animal health by means of vegetable additives to feed. Vegetable ingredients have antioxidant properties that have an anti-inflammatory effect. This project aims to use these properties to prevent diseases of the intestine and liver in cattle and poultry, for instance. To achieve this, BioMed-zet Life Science selects various substances according to their effectiveness in cell culture test systems. The biological modes of action of the most effective substances are then comprehensively characterized in vitro in an artificial liver cell model and an intestinal cell model in which inflammation is simulated. The effects of the most successfully characterized substance are subsequently tested by Delacon in a field trial. The results are used to develop, test and produce specific recipes for new products for sustainable livestock management, with the aim of improving the animal's health and food safety, while at the same time keeping the impact on the environment to a minimum. In medicine, microsurgery techniques are becoming increasingly important. The Austrian Competence Center MAZ aims to meet the demands of this development. A modular program of courses offers professional and continuous training for everyone from beginners to experienced practitioners. The MAZ is a training and research center for microsurgery and has existed since the year 2000. For some years now, it has been the largest institution of its kind in Europe. Here, we have the opportunity to offer training in microsurgery techniques for every specialist surgical discipline. Besides our research and training activities, we are also involved at European level with the standardization of training procedures in microsurgery. The Medical Simulation Center gives us the opportunity to simulate medical emergencies using the best technology available. We can offer students, nursing staff and doctors the chance to practice procedures for the most complex cases in pre-clinical situations. For example, from the ambulance to the hospital trauma and resuscitation room. From April 2013, we will also become the Gourmand Center of Excellence for Europe, the Middle East and Africa.
Für Europa, den Mittleren Osten und Afrika.
Flight simulators have long been standard equipment for pilots. Since 2012, BioMed-zet Life Science has provided the only medical simulation center in Austria. Various medical situations are simulated with no risk to life or equipment. In this way, interdisciplinary teams train, assess, and improve their emergency management skills. A key component is the dummies, which closely resemble the human body and whose pulse, respiration, and heart rate can be regulated by computer. The video analysis of scenes in trauma and resuscitation rooms is particularly helpful. We see three key future issues. How can a healthy diet be guaranteed? What are the challenges facing medical technology? And to what extent do plastics have biofunctional properties? These are the issues we want to address.